Welcome to the video, Configuring Application Settings for your Azure Functions app. In this video, I'm going to show you where the applications are configured, and we're going to explore the Function app and application settings, and then I'm going to show you some of the neat features like App Service Editor and Kudu. Here inside the portal, we've gone to our app services, and we can see our packed serverless application, and right here at the Function app itself. Before you dig down into the functions themselves, you can look at the Function app, and the settings are over here. You can see the Function app settings, and if you click it, it will open into a new tab up here. You can set limits, manage application settings, I'll show you that in just a moment. Function app edit mode, set it to read-write or read-only. Work with the slots, we'll be showing that in a future video. And also some of the host keys. The host JSON file is also here, and you can edit it right here at this setting. In the application settings, you can get to it from Function app settings or from the overview, and it will also open up in a separate tab. The application settings include what version of PHP, if you're using PHP, the platform itself, the HTTP version, what kind of FTP access to allow, whether remote debugging is off or on, and all of the different application settings. And you will get to see some of that when we're configuring application insights in a later video. We can set connection strings and the default documents, and work with applications and directories. Now with the Overview tab, providing the access to the configured features for the Function app settings and the application settings, it can be easy to overlook the Platform Features tab, but it's right here waiting for you. And here we see a lot of additional settings. Let's give it a little bit more space here. We're going to be using some of these settings to configure the rest of our application in future videos, things like custom domains and setting SSL. But while I'm here, I want to make sure that you see some really nice development tools. The first is Kudu opens up, and you notice that it's just the .scm between the host and AzureWebsites.net. We get some basic information here. We can also get a lot of detailed information about the environment, the processes that are running, and even a debug console. I'll wait for the processes to come up so you can see. Another nice tool is the Application Service Editor. And the App Service Editor, essentially all of the files that make up the application, where you can see the different files, as well as have access to a console. Finally, I'll show the Resource Explorer, are your JSON files for just about everything in your Azure subscription. Expand out your server farms. A very easy way to see how all of your different resources are connected and what resources you have. In the next video, we're going to configure that custom domain using some of those great application settings that we saw before.